nitrate fertilizer in it would have a 40% lower carbon footprint. But that is the first step of it. But 78% of Yara's carbon footprint is because of scope 3, which is actual emissions on the field. And that's what needs to be tackled for all of us. So there is a need that we are looking at scope 3, and that's an area where no company can work alone, because farmer is not just using a fertilizer or a seed or a chemical. It's a bouquet of everything which comes together, and that's where value chain partners need to collaborate and come together, so that, and to be very frank, farmers at the moment don't have a incentive. So in terms of economics, they are not incentivized to use practices which would have a lower environmental impact. And that's where companies, value chain partners need to come together, so that we share the cost, the risk, and even the reward if it comes in. So no, having said that, we from Yara have collaborated with a lot of companies. Uh, Basically, no, it's mainly with the input companies, but some of the output companies as well, where we have some small pockets of success in. Just to name a few, there's something which we are doing well, which is also working for the farmers with Bayer crop protection, and also their seed division, the Seminis. Netafim is also there as a partner, and that is something overall it's working well for the farmers, and it's actually giving them some good results. There's another project which is being run in Punjab on maize, and there we are looking at silage maize. Um, what we're doing, so the practice is that the first step is to look at soil, analyze the soil, and look at what is that is missing in soil and what is that is in excess. Based on that, there's a crop plan which is prepared, and the crop plan is very specific to the end use of the crop. So if it is for silage, then the crop plan will be different. If it is for seed, it will be different. If it's for the corn cob, then it's different. So, and in most of the cases, we have seen that the fertilizer um, usage or dosage decreases when we are preparing a crop plan, and that's where the efficiencies come in. So there we are also working with the buyer. There's also end use industry which is involved, and that is for silage. We have seen good results on improving the milk quality of dairy when you're using that particular silage. And similarly on wheat specifically, the protein content goes up if you're using the right kind of nutrient. So those are the kind of interventions we are